Today, we got this. Oh no, this.
Oh yeah.
Yoo-hoo! Hello! It's me again. Welcome back. Yeah, it's me again. Oh yeah! What can I do? Okay. How are you doing? I hope not too bad. Not too bad. That mean good? Because not too good mean bad. Yeah, you're doing alright. Magnificent. Okay. Alright. Superb. Yeah. Today, we got this. What's that? Oh, I remember now. In the beginning of this channel, I started doing some videos showing some tools that we need when we are newbies on YouTube. But I think this one was one of the things that I forgot to make unboxing. But now I have opportunity. I think we're going to do something today. Yeah, I mean unboxing. We'll find out. This is one of the things that you need if you're starting YouTube. Oh yeah. Come on down. You might think this is something that shouldn't be. I won't mention the name. Anyway, this is a tripod, a mini tripod that can be used with your camera. Oh, I'm not going to say nothing. Let me show you. Ooh. Look at that. I have a Spider-Man here. Come to the side. There is no manual. Anyway. Look there. Oh, you press the button on the side and you can adjust the way you want it. Look at this, it's not amazing? Oh yeah. You can use it like this, make your video. I have one spare handle. You can just see, you can use it on it. For example, you can make a selfie. Or, in case I don't want a selfie, I can do something better. I can do it like this, like this. Ta-da! And this is very nice. You can just use in this way and make a selfie. To film, it's very easy. This is very, very, very nice. And you can use it as well. There you go. For example, I have my gimbal. I want to use it. Alright. There we go. Let's make a video. You can see from here and also from here, both sides. You can have a mini tripod right here and have another tripod here. I can talk to you directly, or I can talk directly here. If for any reason, for example, I want to record a video here in the studio, in the office, the easier way, I can talk to you directly, or I can talk directly to the camera. You can see me here, you can see me here. So I have two cameras now. Which one I want now? Hello! Okay, hello! Alright! This is amazing. Hello! Crazy. Resuming, I think it's a very useful tool for who is starting on YouTube. Having a tripod like that you can use it for your gimbal, or if for any reason you want to use it, for example, to do a vlog outside, something that is very good. Why are you recording me? This is very, very, very useful. Anyway, I think this is a very useful tool for anybody starting on YouTube. I think having a tool like this, a mini tripod, you can use for your gimbal, you can use it as a selfie stick, or simply you can use it as an auxiliary camera. This is one more tool for my bag. Wherever I go, we'll go with it. You never know when you're going to need it or not. All right. And go and check in the description. All information will be there. You know what to do after? Like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and comment below if you like it. Did you? I know you. I know you. I know you are. I hope you like this unboxing. If you want a specific unboxing, I have plenty of boxes to open there. Just let me know. I will see what can I do for you. Wait a minute. It's 80 billion people around the world. I'm doing an invitation for you. Nah, no way. I have plenty of things to do. I'm gonna be opening boxes here all day. I'm going away. Bye. One thing. Nothing. Bye. Bye. Wait a minute. Oh, I remember. Nothing. Bye. I can see you. Bye. Oh yeah.